Where is the dog? Look at Ozzy. Today we are learning 5 essential words to describe where things are. Let's go! Hi everyone, welcome to Smart English Labs. This is my dog, Ozzy. He is a happy golden retriever, and today he is going to help us learn prepositions of place. Look at the bench. Where is Ozzy? He is on the bench. Repeat after me, on. The dog is on the bench. It is a sunny day. Ozzy is resting in the shade. He is under the tree. Repeat after me, under. Ozzy is under the tree. Ozzy wants to go for a ride. Look at the blue car. Ozzy is next to the car. Repeat after me, next to. He is next to the car. Where is he now? Ozzy is hiding. He is in the doghouse. Repeat after me, in. Ozzy is in the house. Can you see him? Ozzy is behind the bush. Only his tail is visible. Repeat after me, behind. He is behind the bush. Let's review. We use on for the top. We use under for below. In is for inside a space. Next to is beside something, and behind is at the back. Great job! Now it is time for a quiz. I will show you a picture. You have 5 seconds to say the answer. Are you ready? Question 1. Where is Ozzy? Is he on or in the tub? He is in the tub. Question 2. Where is he now? He is under the bridge. Question 3. Where is he now? He is behind a fence. Question 4. Where is Ozzy now? He is next to a bike. You did it. You learned 5 prepositions. Where is your pet right now? Write a sentence in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe to Smart English Labs. See you next time.
Learn English with Smart.